My glasses look dirty. First and foremost, I just wanted to say thank you to all the new people, all the newcomers that are here, commenting and being very nice. All y'all are very, very nice. Which was something that I honestly was not expecting, which is cool. It's a nice surprise. Thank you. Anyways, I'm not that sentimental. I don't really like to talk about my feelings. So, truly, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Today, we are at a running, hiking. I'm hearing people celebrating in the background. Place. It's a park, a public park. That's where I'm at. The thing is, right now, there's a lot of people. A lot more people than what I was expecting, to be honest. No problem. Not gonna lie. There probably might be a little slight problem. I was gonna wear a camera on my chest. You'll see the setup? But I'm a little more anxious than usual. So I don't think I'm gonna do that. This is low-key stressing me the fuck out. Oh my god. Featuring my dirty car, today's outfit is a neutral color palette. Nike, Nike, Nike. Amazon. Okay. I don't know where we're going, but we'll figure it out. I know we're headed in the right direction, though. This place is beautiful. Look at that. This place is nice. Bird City. We got some nice, interesting facts here. Let's be honest. I'm not going to read those. I gotta change the playlist. I can't be listening now. Oh my gosh, look at these. Cute. park instruction. I don't know what that means, but okay. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm enjoying this very much. It's literally so fucking green here. And peaceful. Quiet. I know y'all hear the birds. This is crazy. Wait, guys. This is rude of me. This is a bird hiking place. I think you come here to listen to birds. Deadass. Oh, it's right there. Oh. Dude, the bark on this shit is so textured. So badass. This place is peaceful as fuck. I don't know how far I'm gonna walk, but I feel like I'm just gonna keep going till I'm tired. Oh God. We'll go this way. Oh my God. Or, no, we'll keep going up. This is pretty crazy. Oh my goodness. That's okay. We can just look at more trees. Not bad. It's not a bad deal. I love me a green, luscious forest. Oh, the sun's coming out. And I have a long sleeve with a jacket on. This is probably not the wisest of choices to wear, but it was the most comfortable. And uphill we go. Damn, it's bright. Where the hell did we end up? God, that view is killer. Wow. It's a beautiful view. That is truly stunning. That's a truly stunning view. Alright, I gotta take a picture with it on my phone. Because what the fuck? This is such a beautiful view. Okay, okay. That's awesome. This was even better on the rock. This is crazy. Okay. That was well worth it. Let's keep going up. Let's see what there has to be. Maybe it's more trees, maybe it's not. Maybe it's another fantastic view. It could just be a really fantastic view. Because that one was great. I loved that one. That one woke me up. Now I feel like I'm hunting for a view. Am I getting lost? No, but I need a water break. Ugh. Got a little parched there. I'm gonna take off my jacket. I'm not running, so it's fine. Let's go. Man, these views just keep getting better. What the heck? It feels like I might fall down there. Crazy, man. I'm sweating like a fucking Iron Marathon runner. But I'm feeling good. Loki, I want to hike at least 3 miles. At least 3 miles, chat. Come on now, chat. At least 3 miles. We can figure ourselves out on the way back. Right now, we just keep going forward. what that means, but okay. I'm gonna quickly check my fitness thingy on my iPhone, see how many miles, if I even have hiked a mile. Fingers crossed, I hope so. But I'm gonna take a quick look. We're having an emergency. I could feel a couple raindrops. Fuck the rain, y'all. And I did a mile already, so we're just doing a mile back. Based off memory recall. This most likely is not advisable. Okay. The light. The light's at the end of the tunnel. Oop. Okay. This view's fucking killer. I'll never get over it. Alright, let's proceed. Fuck. Oh. The little thing that's... I forgot I'm in nature. That shit scared the fuck out of me. Alrighty, guys. I'll update y'all at the car. Hell yeah. Okay, guys. That was exhausting. That was challenging, but really, really fun. I really enjoyed just doing all of that. Kind of felt like a kid. I was like, with the pebbles and stuff and the stones on the floor and the dirt and the earth, and I was, oh man, I am fucking sweating like a fucking pig, girl. Like, ew. Shiny. But I did a little over 2 miles. Boop, boop. And I still feel good. I don't know how long it took me. Let me see. I don't have an Apple Watch. It's not something I've thought to invest in. I kind of go to the gym. When I first started really working out, it was more of a mental health thing, you know, to get me out of my slump. And then once that was a success, I was like, all right, let's do the aesthetic appeal too, because I also want to look good on the outside as well. I want it to reflect. So, yeah. I always feel good after a good workout. I never complain. I always complain going to the workout, yes, but afterwards I feel like $1,000,000, and right now I feel good as fuck. So, they do recommend. By that, I mean Andrew Huberman and this girl person he invited on his podcast. She said it's important to consume protein within 30 minutes after your workout to reap good benefits more. I was like, all right, I guess I'm gonna do that. So, and I'm starving. I haven't really been eating as good as I should. But yeah, look, I'm all sweaty in the back, sweaty. There's so many people on the trail, but then there was moments where it was just clusters because there's bird watching. I saw a red robin for the first time. That shit was the coolest thing ever. I didn't get it on camera. I'm sorry. I got lost on the way trying to get back here, so I was trying to figure out how to get back to the car. GPS, we love her. Thank you. Lovely. Now we're gonna go eat because I'm fucking hungry.